Hey beautiful soul, welcome. Here we are with clue number 6 of our year-long mystery crochet along. I was just checking out all of your beautiful projects on the Ravelry forum, and you're all doing such an amazing job, and I love how encouraging all of you are to each other. It's such a beautiful thing. So far we have 5 beautiful squares at the ready, just waiting to see who their next companion will be. The whole square is inspired by flowers. So it starts here in the center with this beautiful little bud made up of popcorn stitches, and then it's surrounded by some gorgeous little petals that expand and ripple out to the edges. And I love how the edges of the square are finished off with the look of a traditional granny square, because you know I am obsessed with granny squares. To me, the whole square feels quite vintage, both the design and the color. For our color this month, we chose our soft and mesmerizing foraging green shade and our beautiful shimmering crema worsted yarn. This is a shade that evokes a sense of calm reflection, like the shimmering dew on fresh morning leaves. It's a shade that reminds us to find happiness in the moment, gratitude for all that we have, and the courage to accept things that are outside of our control. So this month we're going to learn how to work an adorable little popcorn stitch, and I would love to show you how simple those are to work. We're going to start by working 4 double crochets into the indicated stitch. So here's double crochet number 1. Into the same stitch, work another double crochet, another into the same stitch. There's 3 and 1 more. So there's 4 double crochets. So you're going to stop and pull your hook out of your loop, and you're going to back up to that first double crochet that you worked and insert your hook into that. Then go ahead and grab this loop, pull it through, chain 1, and there's your little popcorn stitch. So it truly is as simple as that. So go ahead, hop over, grab the next clue, grab the yarn, and I hope you have a marvelous month crocheting, and I will see you next month with clue number 7. Bye!